Remove the rear bumper's bottom mounting screws. Disconnect the taillight connectors inside the rear bumper. Next, remove the antenna sensor inside the rear bumper. Remove the mounting screws for the internal bracket of the rear bumper. Remove the fastening clips securing the rear wheel arch liner. After removing the wheel arch liner, remove the two internal rear bumper mounting screws. Remove the upper mounting screws of the rear bumper. Remove the trunk seal trim. Loosen the mounting screws for the inner trunk trim panel. Remove the inner trunk trim panel. Remove the taillight mounting nuts. Remove the taillights. Disconnect the sockets. Remove the rear bumper mounting screws. Starting from the edges, detach and remove the rear bumper. Disconnect the electronic harness connectors and completely remove the rear bumper. Remove the rear bumper backing bracket. Remove the rear bumper light assembly. Remove the factory rear diffuser lid. Next, install the accessories onto the carbon fiber rear diffuser lid. First, align the light assembly mounting position. Use a suitable tool to sand the edges. Install the light assembly, paying attention to the installation orientation. Secure it using screws. Next, install the vehicle's original reflector strips. Clean the mounting surface using an appropriate cleaner. Apply double-sided tape to the back of the reflector strips. Adhere the reflector strips into the mounting groove. Additionally, secure them from the back using nuts and washers. Next, install the rear diffuser lip onto the rear bumper. First, align the outer position and hold it in place. Tighten the inner screws. Before tightening all screws, ensure the outer alignment of all locking tabs is accurate. Install the rear bumper onto the vehicle. Connect the harness plugs between the rear bumper and the vehicle body. Position the rear bumper correctly. Install the mounting screws and clips. Align the bottom according to the factory installation position. Drill holes using a suitable tool, then install screws or clips for security. Finally, reinstall the taillights and trunk interior accessories.